Welcome to the Credolab Behavioral Module Integration tutorial. Today, we'll guide you through the simple process of integrating the behavioral module into your Android application. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully integrated behavioral module. Let's get started. The behavioral module collects metadata on the user's in-app behavior, including touches, taps, text input, scrolling, and etc. Let's see how to integrate the behavioral module into our application. Open the build.gradle.kts file. Visit the Android SDK integration page on docs.credolab.com. Navigate to Step 2. And copy the behavioral module dependency. Replace the module version placeholder with the latest version found on the Android SDK page. Ensure you have declared the access network state permission in the Android manifest. Next, we'll add the behavioral module to the Credo app service. Make sure to invoke the start tracking method of the behavioral module in the onCreate method of the main activity. Note that the start tracking method is static. This means it can be called without creating an instance of the class, making it easy to invoke from anywhere in your code. Marking key UI elements with meaningful IDs is essential for maximizing the effectiveness of integrating the behavioral module into your application. Descriptive IDs allow the module to accurately track and differentiate user interactions with various UI elements. This precision ensures that the collected data is both relevant and actionable, providing a clear picture of user behavior. By making this a standard practice, you ensure that your integration with the behavioral module is both effective and beneficial. Congratulations! You have successfully integrated the behavioral module into your application.